Assalamualaikum and a very good evening to our dearest lecturer and fellow friends. Today, in Basic Maintenance Technology course, we're going to present to you about the washing machine failure analysis. In this analysis, we come up with several problems that may occur to washing machines. Now, we're going to present to you the 5 why analysis for the problems that we discovered in this analysis. The first problem that we discovered in this analysis is the machine doesn't operate. So, our first why is the machine does not operate? So, we found out that the machine doesn't operate because the fuse got blown. Then our second why, we answered with the motor overheat. And our third why, we answered with the shaft damage. And why the shaft damage? The shaft damage because the bearing destroyed. And the bearing destroyed because the seal omitted. And our root cause for this problem, and it is our last why for this problem, is the inadequate work instruction. So in this problem, we found out our root cause of why our machine doesn't operate. It is because inadequate work instructions from the users. Our second problem for this analysis is the water leakage. Our first why was discovered by the drain pump broken. The drain pump broken because the drain pump motor failed. And why the drain pump motor failed? It is because the motor overheat and because the motor doesn't run properly. So the root cause of this problem is the unscheduled corrective maintenance by the technician or the employees at the moment. So this water leakage problem, we found out the root cause is the unscheduled corrective maintenance by doing the 5 why analysis.
3. So problem 3 is machine doesn't spin. The first why is because cable come out from connector, and the second why is mistake on connecting cable. Sometimes when technician doing a mistakes on connection cable, will be one of the cause of the failure. And then the third why is cable material doesn't fit requirement. So every machine or every wiring have their own design of cable material, so the user or technician has to be follow the requirement. And the fourth why is improper material specification, and the last why is doesn't check before connecting. So we will move to problem 4. So our problem 4 is washing machine noise. This problem is common problem while using washing machine at home. It's sometimes because of heavy duty frequently used, or this washing machines a long time are not serviced. So the first why of washing machine noise is main tube bearing worn out. The second why, lubricant failure, and the third why, over lubricant. The fourth why, heavy duty laundry, and the last why, unscheduled corrective maintenance. So we will continue to the next slide of last problem is problem 5. Next is problem 5. Problem 5 is washing machine keep tripping power supply. Why? Because of motor fault. Motor fault can be cause of tripping power supply because in the electrical circuit they detect the fault. So it gives information to the MCB trip the power supply for the safety. And the second why is motor overheated. Motor overheated cause of motor fault. Why motor overrated is because motor overload. And the fourth why motor overload is because too much laundry. And the last why too much laundry is because user did not aware on the required weight for the machine.
This is the last slide, which is FMEA form. This form is very related to the 5 whys that my friend have just explained before. When we turn on washing machine, it have a potential failure mode. First, machine doesn't operate. Second, washing machine keep tripping power supply. Third, washing machine not noise. Fourth, the machine not to spin. 5, water leakage. And all the problem have an effect to the clothes cannot be washed, consumer dissatisfied, clothes are not dried, and the floor will be wet. And potential causes, like every problem have a potential causes and current control to relate the 5 whys, and needs the action to fix all the problems. Each problem has a different rate of severity, occurrence, and detection. The RPN value we can get using the formula severity multiply occurrence and multiply detection. When we take an action to fix the problem, the value of RPN can be reduced. Okay, so this all from us. Thank you.